In today's video, I'm going to show you the best free automatic call recorder app for Android. On Android, one of the best free automatic call recording apps you can use right now is this Cube Call Recorder ACR. It stands out because it doesn't just handle traditional phone calls but can also record conversations on apps like WhatsApp, Skype, and Messenger. You can set it to record every call automatically or only those from specific contacts. And you also have the flexibility to start recording in the middle of a call. The free version already gives you most of the important features, though it does come with ads, while extras like cloud backup and security options are available in the premium upgrade. Another solid choice is another call recorder, often referred to simply as ACR. It is popular because of its wide range of options, including automatic recording, support for multiple file formats like MP3 and WAV, and built-in organization tools that let you sort and search through your recordings easily. It also supports cloud storage, although saving to services like Google Drive or Dropbox requires the paid version. If you prefer something more straightforward, Call Recorder Automatic by Applicato is a reliable option with a simple interface. It takes care of automatic recordings without much setup and keeps your calls organized by contact or date. It even allows backups to Google Drive, although some advanced features are locked behind the premium version. CallX, another free app, is also worth mentioning if you like being able to add notes to your recordings and share them quickly. It gives you more control by letting you choose which contacts to record and which to ignore. In practice, most people lean toward Cube ACR because it consistently works across many Android versions and devices, while also offering the rare advantage of handling internet-based calls. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.